ashubeleke izinto uphetheni njengoba uSamke esazi nje indaba yakhe and uSamke uzwenza sure ukuthi lezi indaba ziyafika ke kunjengaye. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlamini from the 17th to the 19th of March 2025 on Monday. Now that Samke knows a dark secret, things don't look good for Phetheni. Over the celebration of an important nomination, Kwenzo shares a moment of reconnection with Sibongile. Thusile gets a new idea and turns to Mashona for help on Tuesday. Vengeful Samke rocks up to Sinjengai armed with a damning secret. Sibongile and Kwenzo share a romantic day. Sibongile considers giving Kwenzo her virginity. Thusile starts her new side hustle on Wednesday. Njengai struggles with Samke's revelation. Kwenzo and Sibongile are ready to take their relationship to the next level. Thusile surprises Mavis and Nelly after she makes a lot of money from her side hustle. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.